Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we are going to use this pixel perfect. So with object menu, here we have this make pixel perfect. So I'm going to start with first example that how we are going to apply this pixel perfect on the shape. So first I'm going to draw this rectangle shape, and also on this view you have to click on the pixel preview. So the shortcut for pixel preview is Alt plus Control plus Y in your keyboard. So I'm going to click on the pixel preview. Now I need to use the shortcut here Control plus so I can zoom in. So on the top of this shape, if I want to make another rectangle with a different color, so as you can see here is not a pixel perfect. So pixel perfect is made for the purpose of making all the straight edges correctly look. So here now I'm going to select this rectangle shape and I want to make it look better and I want to make it a pixel perfect. So I need to click on this make pixel perfect. So when you click at that, so as you can see, no edges here. Now this shape is a pixel perfect. But if you are going to move this, so again you need to click on the object menu and click on make pixel perfect. So this is how you can apply this pixel perfect on a vector shape. So let me show you one more thing here. I'm going to use this ellipse by holding Alt and Shift. So here if I want to apply this pixel perfect on this, because of the round edges only, it's going to apply on the straight edges. So I'm going to click on this make pixel perfect. As you can see, for the rounded parts there is no pixel perfect, only for straight edges, which is right here. Now it's a pixel perfect. But if you move this something like this, so it need to be a pixel perfect. So this is how you can apply. So now I know you are going to get the idea of the pixel perfect is made for the purpose of making anything a pixel perfect with straight edges, not a rounded edges. So I'm going to Control A to select everything and delete. So let's go with the second example. So I'm going to draw another rectangle shape, not with this document. I'm going to create another document, not from template. We want to create a new document, so I'm going to click at that, and here I'm going to click on create with 3000 width with 2000 height. So here I'm going to draw this rectangle shape. Let me fill it with this color, and now I need to click on object menu. Here we have this artboard, so I'm going to click fit to selected art, and from let me remove the stroke. Again we need to click on fit to selected art. So from here I'm going to resize this. So now I'm going to click on file and click on export save for web. Now if you zoom in, as you can see, there is a line that it shows that this is not a pixel perfect. As you can see, let me just here show you this line. I'm talking about this line. So that's why this pixel perfect is made for the purpose of making a pixel perfect for straight lines, for straight edges you can call that. So I'm going to apply that. So here we need to fix this. So I'm going to cancel this, and I need to go to the object menu, and here I need to click on make pixel perfect. So now I'm going to click on file, export and save for web, so I can show you the line is not here anymore because we just applied that make pixel perfect on this shape, so that's why the line down here doesn't show anymore. So this is how you can use this pixel perfect under object menu. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to use this option with Adobe Illustrator. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.